guys, I had the best time. Like 2 days, absolute like madness and chaos and just pure magic. I had Insomnia 2 days in a row, and last night was the gig, which was like amazing, like such amazing people. Days full of music, my ears are ringing. What I needed as well. And I was thinking I'd go through my gig bag. Of course, it's my phone. It's also my camera. Canon G7X, but house keys, of course. My burner phone. Like people getting so confused with this, but it is my phone. Like it's an actual phone. You see, it's actual like working phone, but it's just like blinged out and 90s style. But this is like what my family members can reach me on. Any like emergency type of stuff. So this one is like kind of like a private type of phone, and my iPhone doesn't have any SIM card in it. It's literally just to use as a camera, catch up on WhatsApp. Somehow my old Vodafone number still works on it, although I don't have any SIM in it. And I did close the number, but I don't know, for WhatsApp it works. So when I meet like new people and stuff, that's where we can connect with as well. Like if not on Instagram is the best, like for at the moment, like when I'm meeting new people, like we can follow each other, we can see each other's stuff, we can share the pictures, the content, like what we're taking, and it's like just so wonderful. Like these 2 days I could not even imagine like without social media, honestly. Like that's how we like kind of connect as well, which is so wonderful. But I'm off the internet quite often. So lip balm, this one is lifter glaze Maybelline. So this one is Maybelline. I love this is like lifesaver, because lip balm adds tiny bit shade, but it's like so hydrating. I definitely need to stock up on this. This is wonderful. It's like lip balm, glaze, lip gloss all in one. But because I was so dehydrated today, I really needed like that. It was lifesaver. So that is that. And kind of we have like a pink little theme in here. Well, like everywhere is tiny bit pink, and I love it. Like I'm all about it. Good energy, good vibes. Right, so we have that. What else we have? Dominos, like game. So we have all this. I literally just throw it in my bag because I have this poker set. I have these board games basically, and then I've got also like where this domino stuff is inside. It's like 7 games in total. So I just throw these in because I was thinking if we're gonna sit somewhere over, I don't know, over the coffee or in a bar or something, and it's a nice little activity to do. So many little dominoes in here. Of course, little clips when I'm going. I always have them like to shape my hairstyle. Part of that is from yesterday. In front of the stage we went mental yesterday, so literally like legends, so it went into pieces, but that one ended up inside my shirt somehow. I don't know, I thought I chopped it. Tissues, because I'm a hay fever queen. More hair clips. Perfume, this is Givenchy. Oh my god, Leo sprayed one of the perfumes what he's using on me as well, and it's absolutely beautiful. Because yesterday when he came in the room, like it was just like lingering around. I was thinking like, what type of perfume is this? Like it's so delicious, and on me it's totally different, but it's such a lovely one. But I had also my own one, so this one is just like on the go. Loving that. This one, more Dominos. Oh, and Chris gave me yesterday this one. So we have little music souvenirs, you know. Dun, 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 dun. So this one in my bag. Mirror, like cannot live without my mirror. Like I need my mirror all the time to fix my makeup, check up. Like mirror is a must have, and this is such an oldie one. Actually, one of my friends, like one of my girlfriends, like back in the day, she moved to Brussels, and because in the National Opera stage I had this type of like red dress, she gave me this mirror, but I have added some little, you know, of course, stickers on it. to match all of this. And this camera is such a mental one, like it's such a toasty, it's such a toaster. Literally I need to get the screw, like it's going crazy, but it's the best camera to take these like cake pictures. It makes you look on the pictures so nice. Like I love this. Empty sweetie wrappers. I always need a little sweetie in my bag. Chewing gum, almost finished, 2 left. Another one, okay, more. Domino's, whoops, and what is, oh, I have more perfumes. Oh, I have mint as well. Like I always throw like mint in this tiny pocket. I have a little zip pocket in here, so I always have mint and more perfumes. What's this one? This one is Chanel number 5. Number 5 is my go-to, whoops, perfume. And the other one is Lancome, light one. Is that, I would say like this one is much better, but Chanel number 5, literally down. My mom gonna give me more of those. It's just so easy. Why I carry these is like they're so tiny and you can throw in your bag and you don't have to carry like full-size bottle with it, because Chanel doesn't really have for Chanel number 5 this type of ones. So I can either just like refill it, but I would love to have something like this in my bag. Like pink and black theme in here, and my neck is like a prick today, like I cannot even move proper, but it was all worth it. So I'm just taking all in. I'm gonna snooze down because I literally zoned out after today's gig. I literally just zoned out after it, and I was like, I was thinking to go with girls and stuff to on, but I was like, I cannot do it. Like this insomnia, like 2 days having insomnia, and then going through the gigs, and like just like the gigs are like amazing part, but just the insomnia really like took me down today. So anyways, this is me after rock and roll. So mind-blowing and amazing how many wonderful people I have met like less than a week. Like it's just, oh, it's just so lovely. I'm totally speechless. My brain is literally off. My brain is kind of toasted and buttered now by this point, but hopefully you've been enjoying my Instagram stories. The new bands, you should definitely check them all out, who I post about as well. I shared, and one of my faves are up there, and that's about it. I'm going to have a nice bath and taking off. Love ya. Cheerios, Cheerios.